A lot of people try to shape the future, but it's the young ones who will live in it, and we are the ones who will fight for it. Whether they called us hooligans, clappers, jitterbugs, or sub-debs, we knew who we were. Time had come to declare it.
Those who get the youth get the future.
Kind of just the most basic strategy I had for the film is take contemporary music, combine it with archival footage, and it transforms the material. It doesn't feel old anymore, it feels fresh and new. The level of detail in a lot of this footage is remarkable.
Some of the old footage looks nicer than the stuff you shot.
Yeah, totally. Are we ready, Billy?
We're not.
Sorry? Not yet.
Okay.
Quiet, please.
Quiet, please.
Here we go. Light up your cigarettes.
Light up.
Pictures up. Pictures up.